Living and working in Russia can be very exciting, but anybody who's there will know that it's one of the most expensive places in the world. And this goes also for healthcare treatment. So buying the right health insurance plan can be really important. At Pacific Prime, we've been working for over 15 years to find the right health insurance for thousands of people all over the world, including many people living in Russia. Today, there are lots of international style health insurance plans that will cover you in Russia, will allow you full treatment at the most well-known facilities, and will also allow you to go home for treatment if you need it. Our job as a health insurance intermediary is to help and advise you on a plan. And health insurance is in fact quite complicated. There are many different levels of cover, the benefits, and also the details on those benefits are really important. Good examples would be, do you want an inpatient only plan? Do you want an in and outpatient plan? Do you need maternity? Starting a family can be really exciting, but maternity insurance typically has waiting periods on it, so making sure you get the cover at the right time is really important. Dental, optical, are these important issues for you? For some people they're critical, for other people they're not important. Beyond that, we can think about evacuation and repatriation. Particularly if you're living in a country like Russia and you're not in one of the leading centres, then the chance that you'll need to be evacuated or repatriated if you're seriously ill is very high. So making sure you've got a plan that will do that is important. Beyond that, we can think about things like pre-existing medical conditions or chronic conditions. These are things that people often don't understand, but most health insurers do not cover pre-existing conditions automatically. If you have a pre-existing condition and you need it covered, then there are insurers that will do that, and we can help you find the right one. Chronic conditions are poorly understood by most people, but on a health insurance plan they're critical. Chronic conditions are expensive. They're things you never recover from, and they can cost a lot of money. Insurers basically don't like them. As such, if you go for a lower cost, should we say cheaper health insurance plan, typically you need to look at the chronic condition coverage, and if that's restricted or limited, that's probably why the plan is cheaper. More expensive, more comprehensive health insurance plans tend to have full chronic condition coverage. This is an issue that's really important if you're in your 50s or 60s, late 40s, because this is when chronic conditions start to appear. Examples of chronic conditions: arthritis, diabetes, heart disease, high blood pressure, things that can be really expensive. So if you need help or advice on health insurance and you're living in Russia, please come and talk to us and we'd be happy to advise you.